Hi guys, good morning. So this is Kayalvari from CSC department. Today I'm going to discuss about the types of function definitions. So basically, a function is a smallest block. A same program will be split into multiple units, and that may be used for the purpose of better understandable and then reuse person. So the purpose of function is reusability and easy to understand. That is the advantage of functions. Okay. So in this functions, there are four categories. Say the function definition may fall under in any one of these categories. Say a function with arguments with return value. So a function going to pass some arguments and then it will return something. Similarly, a function with arguments and without return value. The next one is the function without argument with return value. The last one is the function without argument without return value. Say now I'm going to consider a simple example addition. Addition of two numbers. Okay. Because in order to understand better, I have chosen the simple logic. So the syntax of a function is nothing but, what is the syntax? Any function should have a return type and then function name, that is name of the function, and the parameters. It's not only one, there may be multiple parameter. Okay, so that's why I mentioned as a parameters. So how to give multiple parameter? You can use a comma. You can give another parameter. Okay, so you might be having n number of. You can give multiple too. Okay. And at the end, if you give semicolon, this is nothing but the function declaration. What about the function call? Any function must have three things. One is the function definition. The other is the function call. The next one is the function definition, right? So I have given, this is the syntax for function declaration. What is this? This is the declaration. This is how we can declare the function, right? And then another one I said, it's a function call. How to call the function? Making use of a function name, the name of the function. And then maybe it may have a parameter, empty argument, or otherwise it may have a parameters. Okay. And here also you'll have a semicolon. So this is the function call statement. The third one is the function definition. So function definition, again it should have a return type and then function name followed by parameters. It should be similar as your function declaration. Right. Does it have the semicolon? No, it will not have a semicolon. If I have multiple parameters, you can give all the parameters here. Say in this, I have used only two. and it will have a open and close. Okay. And I can say this is nothing but the function definition. So any function must have these three things. Okay. So now, as I said, I'm going to use the integer add of two variables. So what is my function declaration? Say it is going to return integer add of int two parameters. Say int and int b. Now this is the function declaration. And then call can give a function name and then the parameters. No need of type here. What I missed here, I want to give a data type of the parameter, right? You must correct me if I made some mistake. Sorry. And then I can give what about the definition? Same int add of int a, comma int b. Can I give semicolon? No. I need to give a definition for this. Okay. So this is how I should have the function declaration, function call, and function definitions. So here I can give the statement, whatever you want to process. Okay. For better understanding, I'll just give it in the next line. This is all a mandatory. Now we'll move on to our objective. So that is nothing but a whole categories of function definitions. So this function, how we are going to define, how we are going to call, and how we are going to declare. So all the things we are going to discuss now. So now first we'll move on to the function with argument with return value. So return type should be given, say integer, and then also it should pass the argument, right? So function name, add, and then argument, say for an example, integer and b. Okay. So what is our objective? Just addition of two numbers. So that's why with argument, the arguments are given and then it will return. Okay. And then the second category is function with argument without return value. So function with argument, but it should not return. So return should be void now. And the function name followed by argument should be there, right? With arguments. So int b. Okay. The next one is the function without argument with return value. So return value is there, but we don't have a argument, which should be empty, right? The next category is function without argument without return value. So there is no return as well as no arguments. Okay, so these four categories are there when we try to use our functions. So you can make use of any one of the category and then you can implement. Okay. So now we will see the first category in the next slide.